Hello guys, today we are learning how to set camera in video Scribe. Whenever we insert any image or a text, we have to set its camera to any specific location. Like this, we have inserted an image in video Scribe. Now go on the bottom right and there is set camera to current position. Click on it, the camera will be set for that image. Insert another image, resize it, place it wherever you want on this project area and set camera to current position. Similarly, we can do it for text. Whenever you type any kind of text, you give it any kind of style, font style you want and insert it in the project. Just resize it, place it wherever you want to place it, and then you have to set its camera. Now place your text wherever you want to place it. Go to set camera to current position, click on it and your camera will be set for this text.